Check this one out, guys. That's right, it's an RC Tarantula. And it's a big one. It's a big one. I thought this would be kind of hilarious to drive it around the house. My wife's a little scared of spiders, like most people. And I would be too if this thing came crawling out front of the couch. So I'm going to see if I can try to sneak it out and get a good video of it coming out. So you can see here you're going to need 3 AA's for the transmitter and 3 for the spider. So let me get it out of here and we'll show you what's in the box. Alright, here's what's in the box. You've got your transmitter. And take your AA's in the back there. I'm not exactly sure how this is going to drive yet. There's no manual, so we're going to have to just charge it up or put batteries in it and go. But anyways, you can see the legs all move. It's got kind of a rotating deal, so I don't know if it's forward and then back it turns. We'll find out once we power it up and start to play with it. But you can see that's a big spider. So this is going to be pretty fun. So make sure you subscribe so you can come back and see this happen in action. It's going to be pretty entertaining. Okay, got it charged up. This little toggle here does the channels, different channels as far as I can tell. So if you're not on the right one, it won't do anything. So mine happens to need to be on the middle channel. The spider here, it is either moving or not. So this button here will be on and off going forward, and this button here, it'll back up and turn at the same time. So I'll make it go. It's not going to be easy to get both things in focus, but you'll kind of get the gist of it here. Maybe I'll do one out of focus so you can see how this works. But so this will get it started going. If you push it again, it'll stop. This other button is the reverse turn. So you get it going, then you can hit this other one to back up and turn. You almost got to go about a 1/4 turn past where you want it to go for it to work. And it takes 3 AA's in each, or AAA's, sorry. 3 AAA's in the spider, 3 AAA's in the transmitter. Oops. So there you go. That's how that works. So next step is to try to hide it underneath the couch. So I can see if I can freak my wife out a little bit with it, because I think that'll just be a lot of fun. Pretty cool looking thing, huh? Got these movie legs. Pretty interesting. Let's flip it over here and show you. And here's the reverse. It flips that little thing. And you let go, there's forward again. So pretty cool. See if we can freak my dog out a little bit. He's not a fan. Oh. I'm not sure about that one. Ha ha ha.